사랑해 means love. Say it smooth, don't rush. Pronounce it like a groove, let the meaning crush. 먹자 means let's eat, share that vibe. Culture on the beat, yeah we global tribe. From soul streets to NYC nights, we blend the letters with neon lights. Language is rhythm, rhythm is sound. Korean in your heart, now it's world renowned. 안녕 to my people from east to west. You speak it, you feel it, now you're blessed. 안녕, yeah, that's the key. Say it loud, you are part of the harmony.